In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get stems from Suno AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to split a Suno track into vocals and instrumentals, or even pull multiple parts and download them in the formats that work best for your project. Start by heading to the Suno website in your browser. On the home page, click Sign In. You'll be prompted to choose your account and confirm your email to complete the login. Once you're in, go to the Create section. This is where your tracks live and where you'll access stem tools. Pick the song you want to split. Open its options by clicking the three dots next to the track. From that menu, choose Get Stems. A panel will open showing the stem options. If you want the most comprehensive separation, choose All Detected Stems. If you only need a clean acapella and a backing track, select Vocals plus Instrumental. When you're ready, click Extract. You'll see that this action uses credits, so make sure you have enough available. The processing usually takes a moment depending on the complexity of the track. When the extraction finishes, open the Detected Stems view. Here you can review the output and compare version 1 and version 2. These are alternate passes of the separation, and one may suit your mix better than the other, so give both a quick listen to pick the cleanest result for your needs. Next, choose how you want to download. If you're prioritizing small file size and quick sharing, select MP3. For highest quality and more headroom in mixing, go with WAV audio. If you're planning to line things up precisely in a DAW, pick WAV Tempo Locked. That option is designed to stay in sync with your project's tempo grid, which can save time when arranging or remixing. Now grab your files, download the vocal stem if you need an acapella, and download the instrumental if you're preparing a backing track or karaoke version. If you've extracted multiple parts or want everything in one go, click Download, all to save all available stems at once. It's a good idea to keep versions and formats organized in clearly labeled folders so you can quickly find what you need later. That's the full workflow. Sign in, open, create, use the three-dot menu to get stems, choose your split type, extract with credits, review the detected stems, pick a version, select your format, and download. With these steps, you can confidently pull stems from your Suno tracks and move straight into mixing, remixing, or content creation.